Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for SIMS error code 115:6e2df38:70e86af9. As per our research, the error comes either when players open the game and get past the loading screen or when they are playing for hours and try to switch to a different lot. At that moment, the error code appears and prompts them to relaunch the game. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. According to our research, the error is likely caused by outdated or broken script mods, UI mods, or traits that are not compatible with the latest update. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device and check if you need to update the game. If you see any pending updates, install them and try again. If the error still comes, then the issue may be with your mods. Look through your script mods, UI mods, traits, and similar content to ensure they are updated or cleared for compatibility with the new patch. If they are not, remove them and wait for the authors to release updates. Before deleting, make sure to back up any important data. Once done, relaunch the game and check for the error again. At last, if the error still persists, then we suggest you contact EA support for further assistance. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.